In this video, I'm gonna be walking you through how to create or open Bybit account. So you can see you just downloaded the app. You can see everything right here. You can also click on the skip at the top right, so it can skip every other things that are not necessary. Then you can see sign up and get up to $5,000 bonus and mastery boxes. So you can also see demo trading account. You can see sign up and log in. So just click on sign up and log in. Then on this page right here, you can sign up through your email and phone and password. Then if you have a referral code, you can also provide that, but it's actually optional. And you can also sign up through your Google Gmail account. So for me, I will be using my Google Gmail account to sign up. And if you want to log in, you can just click on login now on the top right here. Then it's gonna take you to where you can log in. Then you can also switch to sign up. Very easy. So once you are done with that, just click on, if you want to connect with your Google account, just click on Google. Then it's gonna take you to select the Gmail you want to sign up with. So I'm gonna wait for that to pop. Then I will proceed on to the next one. Alright, I already selected my Gmail, which of course I'll be using to sign up. So I expect this page to take me to the inside of the platform or verify some email something like bot. So you can see right here. So I'm gonna swipe down to this for verification. Alright, I think that's correct. Fine, you can see success. So I'm gonna wait for that. You can see verify your identity. So on this verify your identity, I have to upload my upload photo ID, and can also upload selfie. So but then they said I can actually skip that. You can see skip at the top, and you can also click to verify your own account by uploading your selfie and then your government ID, either your NIN, passport, international passport, or voter's card. So you can choose any of that. So I'm gonna click on skip and see if I'll be able to log in. Okay, fine. So this is the inside of Bybit account that I just created, and you can click on verify now to claim $5,020. So then you can see as a welcome gift. So I literally don't know how that works, but then I guess it's gonna work.